This is Jen Judkins with the New England Google Educator Group. This video will explore how to organize Google Keep notes through color coding and labels. There are many ways to organize your Google Keep notes. One way is to color code the notes for a quick visual recognition of the category in which the label belongs. To color code a Google Keep note, hover over the note, and when you touch on the color palette, you'll have a choice of colors that you can select from. If you want to add a label, this will allow you to filter your Keep notes by clicking the labels from the left sidebar. To add a label, hover over the Keep note, click the More icon, and choose Add Label. You can select an existing label name or create a new one. Keep supports multiple labels attached to a single note. Above all, remember that Google is a search engine. They do a great job at having a very effective search feature in all of their tools. This is no different in Google Keep. Click in the search bar at the top and type in any of the words that appear in your note. Keep will filter to show you all of the notes that contain the word and even highlight the word within the notes to quickly allow you to find what you need.